Agile is a set of values and principles. Much of the discussion around Agile has to do with following different practices, using various methodologies, and even developing with specific tools. While these things might help a team that's trying to follow Agile, they aren't Agile in and of themselves. For example, while a team may find that having a daily stand-up meeting is helpful, the stand-up is only Agile to the extent that it is the result of a team following the Agile principles and values. While this means the term Agile gets subjected to a great deal of abuse when people claim that this or that is the way to be Agile, it also means that if you truly understand what Agile is, it's surprisingly flexible. Agile doesn't make decisions for you. Instead, it gives you a foundation that teams can use to make decisions